The mail is something that may make you groan, and you may even be tempted to, just toss it out and kind of ignore it. But Wayne County Court's chief judge is warning those runaway jurors they could face fines, maybe even jail time, if they fail to show up. 7 Action News reporter Jane Park is downtown tonight with the story.
Let's be honest, jury duty can be a real drag sometimes. The hassle of finding parking downtown and the long waits. That might be why roughly half of the people called last year didn't show up. Well, there's a price for that.
Jury duty is not always the funnest thing.
Most would agree jury duty doesn't rank high on things we want to do.
It's an inconvenience.
Here's an alarming statistic. Of the more than 78,000 people summoned for jury duty in Wayne County in the past 11 months, a whopping 46% didn't show up. Wayne County Circuit Court's Chief Judge Robert Colombo says those jury dodgers are missing something important.
Jurors are protection for people who are involved in lawsuits, both criminal and civil.
This civic duty is so important, it's guaranteed in the Constitution. That's why Judge Colombo is going after repeat offenders who time and again ignored that call to duty. They've been summoned to come here next Thursday and sign up to serve on a jury next month, or they can answer to him.
I will then make a decision as to whether there's a reasonable excuse. If I don't agree, they may be subject to a $250 fine or incarceration.
Why all this effort? Because it wastes a lot of money, taxpayer dollars, to mail out summons to jurors who repeatedly ignore them. So the message, help your fellow man, serve proudly if you're called to jury duty, and hey, if you show up, you're exempt for 1 whole year.
It's just a public service, everyone should do it if you can.
You get picked, you get picked. You got to go through it.
In downtown Detroit, Jane Park, 7 Action News.
It is your duty, you got to do it.